Welcome to Study for GATE and ESE solution. In this video, we are going to be study for the question number 31. So this is the first of this month. So enjoy this study. So you will get 2020 GATE or join any IIT. So you will feel very happy at this month. My purpose is to give lessons to the students who are unable to go for either financially or problematically. They are not going to join any institute for GATE coaching, GATE or ESE coaching. So I am continuing with my video. Don't worry, I will finish 1 or 2 months all this papers. So we will go for more difficult level to study more and more questions. So it will be very easy for us to solve the questions in examination. So today I'm starting with this one. So in the question number 31, they have given that I1, I2, I2, these three are the three current. They are meeting at a point, and I1 is given minus 6 sin omega t milliampere, I2 is given 8 cos omega t milliampere. They are asking what the value of I3. So option A given 10 cos omega t plus 36 plus 7 milliampere. Option B given 14 cos omega t plus 36.87 milliampere. Option C minus 14 sin omega t plus 36 plus 87 milliampere. Option D is given minus 10 cos omega t plus 36.87. This is asked in GATE 99. So let's see the answer. So we can apply the Kirchhoff's current law, KCL. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is equal to 0. But I1 is given minus 6 sin omega t plus I2 is given plus 8 cos omega t plus I3 is equal to 0. So I3 we have taken one sided left side. So 6, if you take this side, so plus 6 sin omega t minus 8 cos omega t. So represent this one in triangle form. So this 6 sin omega t, this 6 will be represented as the x-axis, and this 8 represented as y-axis. So this is diagonal, so 6 square plus 8 square is equal to 10 square. So 6 square plus 8 square root over is equal to 10. So diagonal will be 10. So let's the figure AYC. Let's consider the figure AYC. This is the base, this is the height, this is the hypotenuse. So cos theta will be base by hypotenuse. So 6 by 10. So 6 value is equal to 10 cos theta, and the sin theta will be height by hypotenuse. So it will be 8 by 10 is equal to 8 is equal to 10 sin theta. And we will calculate the value of theta. Theta represents 10 inverse height by base value. So minus 8 by 6. So it will be minus 4 by 3. So theta will be negative 53.30, or theta is equal to 53.3 degree, because it is represented fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant 10 is negative, that's why we are getting as a theta value is negative. So put this cos value, put the cos value and sin value in equation 1. Then we can represent in terms of 6. We can be put here 10 cos theta. So this is 10 cos theta sin omega t minus 10 cos theta minus sin theta. So we are presenting in terms of 8, we are writing this one. In terms of 6, we are writing this one. So we are putting all this value in equation 1. So finally we have got 10 sin omega t cos theta minus 10 cos omega t sin theta. So 10, we are taking common 10. So this is a sin A cos A minus cos A sin B. So normal the formula will be sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So its formula will be sin A minus B. So we can present here 10. This is the 10 sin omega t cos theta minus 10 cos omega t sin theta. So we are taking 10 as common. So its formula will be sin omega t minus theta. But theta is given 53.13. So 10 sin omega t minus 53.13. Let's see here. We can write cos 90 plus theta is equal to minus sin theta. So we take this one, this sign. So sin theta we can write minus cos 90 plus theta. We are writing this one only from changing from the starting equation to this one. So 10 minus cos, listen here, sin theta we can write minus cos 90 plus theta. So the previous equation we are reducing. This is the equation 10 sin omega t minus 53.13. We are reducing this as a, so where and this one is, so we are considered taken minus common outside. So minus 10 cos omega t plus 90 minus 53.13. So minus 10. So cos omega t 90 minus 53.13 is equal to omega t plus 36. So 90 minus 53.8 is value will be 36.8. So answer will be minus 10 cos omega t plus 36.87. So the answer is minus 10 cos omega t 36 plus 0.87. So in question number 31, the option D is the correct answer. Come for the question number 32. Come for the question number 32. This is the star connection. 3 terminals are A, B, C. In this question they are telling that the sum of A and B is 6 when C is open. Open means it is no resistance, means it is out of the circuit. So sum of A and B when C is open is 6. They have given in question. And they are giving sum of B and C when A is open means it value will be neglected. So B plus C is equal to 11 they have given. When sum of A and C is 9 when B is open, means they are giving when one be open, another the sum of the two is remaining they have given, that is 6, 11 and 9. So we will calculate for the answer. So option A is given, A 4, B 2, C 5. So we will solve for that one. So this is the question. Say three terminal ABC and RA, RB, RC. So they have given that A plus RA plus RB is equal to 6 ohm when C is not there, plus RB plus RC 11, RC plus RA is equal to 9 ohm. So finally we are adding all the things. So we are getting 2 RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 26. So RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So we are getting 13 here. So total the 3 terminal resistance will be 13. When we calculating individual, when we RA plus RB plus RC is equal to 13. But RA plus RB, the first equation they have given 6. So we are getting here RC. So RA plus RB is equal to 6. So RC we are getting 7. So similarly we can calculate RA. We can calculate from here when we subtract from total to BC plus C. So BC plus, second, A plus B plus C is equal to 13. So B plus C is given 11. So when we are subtracting from A plus B plus C minus BC is equal to RA. So is 2 ohm. So RB will be 4 ohm. So the option number second is the correct answer. RA getting 2 ohm, RB getting 4 ohm, RC getting 7 ohm. So option B is the correct answer. Let's see the question number 33. In this question they have given that this 2 voltage source and 4 resistance. They are telling find out the value of this R. So option A is given 10, option B will be 18, option C will be 24, option D will be 12. This is asked in 2003. So let's see its solution. This is the figure they have given. So one voltage source will be 100, another will be 40, and one current ampere is one current is flowing through here at 10. In this case it is flowing 5 ampere. So for simplification apply voltage division rule here. So it will be apply here. So voltage division rule. So when we apply at this point voltage division rule, so this V, and at this point the voltage will be 100, at this point the voltage will be 40. So this one V minus 100 by 14 is equal current of this one. So V minus 100 by 14 plus V by 2 current across this one. So V by 2 plus current across this one will be V minus 40 by 1 ohm. So V minus 40 by 1 is equal to 0. So simplify this one. When we take in LCM, so we are getting V minus 100 plus 7V plus 14V minus 14 into 40 is equal to 0. So all are, if you solve, means sum of this one, so 22V is equal to 660, V will be 660 by 22, so we are getting 30. So from this figure we have got that, we know that this voltage we are getting 30 volt, but this is 100 volt. But we know one thing, that current will be always flow from higher potential to lower potential. So this is a opposite, the current is flowing opposite direction which we have taken. So it is the current is flowing from 100 volt to 30 volt. Here also consider this, we have got 30, this is 40. So the current always take from higher potential to lower potential. So the current here flow from this 40 volt to this 30 volt. So we are getting the I1 current V minus 100 by 14. So 30 minus 100 by 14. So is equal to minus 70 by 11. So minus 5. Minus 5 means which we have taken, it is negative to the current direction. So in this given figure, the current is flowing in this way, which is 5 ampere. So current, come for the current 2. So in the current 2, V minus 40 by 1 ohm. So 30 minus 40 by 1 ohm. So minus 10. So it is minus 10 ampere. So initially we have taken in this direction, but negative sign indicate that the current is flowing opposite direction. So it is flowing in this way. So for the I1 current is 5 ampere and the I2 current will be 10 ampere. Listen, see here. First see here, in this point 10 ampere is going here and 5 ampere will be coming here, sorry, in this way. So 10 minus 5, so this current will be 5 ampere. And see, in this way 10 ampere is going and it is the 5 ampere. So this is the 5 ampere. So total will be 10 ampere. So we are getting the individual branch current. So we have got all the individual branch current. So when we are applying the total loop KVL, we are getting that. Listen, we apply for this one KVL. So this is positive, this is negative. So when we are going in this way, this will be positive. So 5 into 14, this is the 5 into 14 minus 5R, because current is flowing in this way. So this is positive, this is negative. So this is 5 ampere current, 5R. And in this way, this is positive. This is positive, negative. So it is positive, negative, and minus. So 10 into 1. So this will be 14 into 5 minus 5R. 5R minus 10 into 1 is equal to 0. So this is 70 minus 5R minus 10 is equal to 5R is equal to 60. R is equal to 60 by 5 is equal to 12 ohm. So R value will be 12 ohm. If you have any doubt in the any following figure, just ask me. I will repeat that one. Don't worry if you're not understanding. Otherwise, I will. Sorry for the inconvenience, that figure I have made so small. So it is very difficult. So it is very difficult to be explain you again here because it look like rough. If you have any doubt, then ask me. I will again repeat that one in the next video. So the given option, the option D is the correct answer. So we come for the next question. This is we come for the question number 34. This is the voltage source they have given, and this is the circuit they have given. 1 ampere current is flowing through this way and 2 ampere is coming here. So apply here KCL here. So these two are entering. So this merchant should be leave. So the all will be KCL condition will be satisfied. So this 1 ampere plus 2 ampere. So coming here will be 3 ampere. Simply apply here KVL. We will get the we will get easily. This current is coming here. So this plus, this minus, this is also coming here. So this is plus, this is minus. So we are applying in KVL equation. Apply here KVL. So minus plus, this will be the plus Vs. Current is going along the direction. So plus or minus. So 6 into 2 or 6 into 2. minus this is 3 ampere is coming here, so 3 into 6, 3 into 6, so it will become Vs minus 12, 6 into 2, 12 minus 3 into 6 is equal to 18, implies 0, so Vs is equal to 30 volt. So the Vs, the voltage, so its value will be 30 volt. So the given option C is the correct answer because it gives 30 volt. It is asked in 2004 GATE. In question number C 35, this is the GATE problem already we have solved. Means the similar GATE problem we will solve. See it here. Sometimes the GATE problem is repeated, just changing the number. So no need to be worried for that one. So I am simply by taking it here first here. So this is the delta connection. So RA, RB, RC is given and its value will be, RA will be, this is 20, RB will be 10, this is also 10. So they are asking its value RA, means delta connection is given, this is star because already we have done delta to star connection. So it is, so when we are calculating this star connection, this is delta, this is the star. When we are calculating delta from delta to star, then the star one, if you come for this one, opposite adjacent side product by sum of the all the sides, so RA plus RB plus RC. So we take here, this is given, this is the adjacent, this is 10 now, this is also 10 now, so 10 into 10 by sum of the all the sides, so 10 plus 20, so it will be 10 to 100 by 40. So R1 we are finding 2 plus 5. Similarly R2, for R2, this is the R2 we are finding. So adjacent for R2, this 2, RC, RA plus RC. So this is 20 into 10 by 40 because sum of this all the sides we are getting 40. So this will be 5 ohm. So RC similar way, product of these two by sum of the all the things, summation of all the sides. So 20 into 10 by 40, so 5 ohm. So RA we are getting 2.5 ohm, R2 getting 5 ohm, R3 getting 5 ohm. So see in the option RA getting we are 2.5. So see the question number A, R1 we are getting 2.5, R2 getting 5, R3 also getting 5. So we have already done this problem, so no need to be worried for that one. So RA getting 2.5. So option is the correct answer. This is asking in 2004. See how the repetition is going on. So that's why I am telling, if you revise, minimum we have to revise 10 to 12 times. So it is very easy for in the GATE exam, because discovery or invention it will be very less time it is going on. So it will GATE or ESC, we will consider the static, maximum static, because what is the book, some book, if you solve previous or GATE question, it is easy for us to be understand its level. So no need to be worried for that one. I will solve all the GATE question within this September to October. This is the question number 35. This is the figure they have given. They are telling find out the value of this R value. Voltage source is given 100 volt. This 10 ohm. This also 10 ohm, and flowing through this will be 2 ampere current. So they are asking find out the value of this. Find out the value of this R. So let us consider along this current is I ampere current. So apply here KCL here. So along this current will be I minus 2, because if you apply KCL here, sum of these two will be this one, because these two are leaving, this is coming, so sum of these two will be this one. So this is I, means this is I and this outgoing is 2, so this one will be I minus 2. Apply here KVL, we are getting the easily answer. Apply the KVL equation here. This is given 100 minus 10 IR minus, because this is plus, this is minus, so plus or minus, plus minus, so minus 10 R. So apply the KVL, 100 minus 10 IR minus 10 L, current flowing through along this will be I minus 2. Current flowing this along will be I minus 2. So the current will be 10 I minus 2 is equal to 0. If you solve this question, 20I is equal to minus 120. So minus cut, so I will be 120 by 20, which I value will be 6. So this current we have got 6. So this current is already 2, so this current will be I minus 2, which we are getting 4 ampere. So the voltage drop across will be voltage into current. So the current is 4 ampere and the resistance will be 10. So the voltage drop across will be 4 into 10, which is the 40 volt. But let's see these two resistance, they are connected in this one and this one connected in parallel and no resistance in between them. So the across voltage is equal to across also this voltage, same voltage. So voltage across will be 40 volt. So current is flowing here 2 ampere. So the resistance will be, will be volt by current. So voltage across will be 40 volt, current will be 2, so resistance will be 20 ohm. So resistance is 20 ohm. So the given option B is the correct answer. This is asked in 2004. So how is get someone doing difficult, but how easy is the get questions? In question number 37, we will see here. This is the question they have given. This is asked in 2007. So they have given in this question, they have given that one 3 volt DC source is there and its internal resistance will be 2 ohm. And this 2 ohm, this is connected a passive nonlinear resistance. Whose character equation is equal to VNL, means non-linear voltage, is equal to I square non-linear current. So they are asking find out the power dissipation in the non-linear resistance. They are asking what is the resistance. So let's see its configuration. This is the figure they have given. This is 3 volt. Its internal resistance will be 2 ohm and this is the current INL, or we can write normally I. So this I current is flowing. This is the non-linear load. So this is a non-linear load whose voltage will be VNL or V. We can write. So apply here simple KVL rule. So 3 minus 2I minus V is equal to 0. So 3 minus 2I is equal to V. This is the equation 1. But in question they have given that V is equal to I square. So this is equation 2. So put the equation 2 in equation 1. Put the V value in equation 1. We are getting 3 minus 2I is equal to I square. So we will rewrite this equation is I square plus 2I minus 3 is equal to 0. So I value plus 3 into I minus 1 is equal to, so I value is equal to minus 3 or I is equal to 1. So I value we are getting minus 3 or I is equal to 1. So take as positive. So I is equal to 1. So V is equal to I square. So 1 square. So V is equal to 1. So the normal power is equal to V into I. So 1 into 1. So 1 watt. The current. So the power dissipated in a nonlinear will be 1 watt. So in question number 37, the option A is the correct answer. Come for the next question. Next question. This is the circuit they have given. This is a current source whose value will be 1 ampere. This is flowing through in this way. This is a resistance plus or minus 2 ohm and it is flowing through this 5 volt. So they are asking find out this value. So you no need to worry, simply apply KVL over here. So we are applying KVL in this loop. So minus plus, so plus VAB minus this 2 ohm and 1 ampere is current flowing through this 2 ohm because they are connected in series. So minus 1 into 2 plus, listen here, this is minus plus, so this will be positive, plus 5 is equal to 0. So VAB minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 0. So VAB is equal to minus 3. So the voltage across this current or plus minus VAB is given minus 3 volt. This is the 3 volt across, drop across the current source. So the given option number A is the correct answer. This problem is asked in 2008 GATE for the EE student. Let's come for the question number 39. This is asked in 2007. This also asked in 2008. This is the circuit they have given. They're asking find the value of the current is given by. They're asking find this value of this current. They're asking find the value of this current value. Come for the left hand side figure. This is 5 volt. This is a closed loop. So 1 ohm resistance, 1 ohm resistance. So this 5 volt will be equally divided because the resistance also same. So here also 2.5 volt or 2.5 volts, or you can apply KVL equation. Apply here KVL equation. So we are getting, so the voltage we are getting here 2.5. So this is the, consider the, this point consider as a ground. So this is ground, and this VA across this potential with across this one. So VA we are getting 2.5 volt. So apply here KVL in this loop. So minus or plus this is going, so plus VAB, this is in the plus or minus, so 3I, here also plus or minus, so 4 VAB minus 3I minus I is equal to 0, so I is equal to VAB. So I value is equal to VAB. So see here in this question, see here, so this VV will be, listen, this voltage is equal to, current across this one into resistance. So the voltage is equal to, current is I is flowing, so 1. So this voltage is equal to I. So VV, so let's see here, I is equal to VAB and VV is equal to 1. When we are subtracting, they are asking the find out the value of the volt. We will find out the value of VAB. So VAB we can write VA minus VB. So VA minus see, this is the equation 1 and this is equation 2. So I is equal to VAB and VB is equal to I. So we can write from the equation 1 and 2 equation 2, we can say that I is the common. So VB is equal to VAB. So in this figure VA we are writing. So in terms of VB we can write VAB minus VAB. So is equal to VAB. So if you come solve this one, VA is given 2.5 volt because we have calculated already. The VA value will be 2.5 volt because in the figure we have counted that by applying KVL we are calculating VA is 2.5 volt. So this 2.5 volt, if you take this right side to VAB, so VAB value will be 1.25 ampere. But we know that from the figure 1 we know that I is equal to VAB. So VAB we are getting 1.25. So I value will be 1.25. So the I value will be 1.25. This is the current value which is flowing in this figure in this way. So the given option B is the correct answer. Come for the question number 40. This is asked in 2009. This is the voltage source. It is connected parallel with current source and then this is 2 ohm resistance. In this field they are telling what is the current flow in this 2 ohm, and one thing is when its current will be double. So what is this voltage? They are telling these three are connected in parallel. They are asking find out the current along I1 and they are telling find this voltage source when this current is double. So in this figure we know that this is 4 volt. So the voltage across also 4 volt. The voltage across also 4 volt. So the current flowing through will be 4 by 2 is equal to 2 ampere. So the current the current is flowing through be 4 ampere. See in this figure, so the current flowing in this way is equal to 2 ampere. See in this figure the voltage is directly proportional to I. So V1 by V2 is equal to I1 by I2. So initial voltage will be 2. So initial current will be 2, later it will be become bare, because they are asking is 4. So v1 is given 4 by v2, so v2 is become 8, because when we wanted to be double its current, means voltage we mustn't should be do double, because voltage and current are directly proportional. So v2 is the 8 volt, or see once again here, so v1 by v2 is equal to i1 by i2. This is 2, this is 4, this they have given already 4, so this will become v2 is equal to 8 volt, because they were asked the initial it is flowing 2 ampere, later it will become 8, they are asking double, so the voltage is become 8 volt. So the option B is the correct answer. If you have any doubt, you write down in the comment below, so I will clarify the next video, I will clarify that one. So no need to worry, I will in time I will solve all the problem. So within 2 or 3 months I will solve ESC. It's general study, I will teach the previous year as well as for the examination purpose. If you like this video, share, like and subscribe. Jai Hind.